Well, hey, it's Rick here, and we're getting ready to head off down to Moparty and see if we can see anybody we know and see some cool looking cars, and you know, gonna take you along for the ride. So probably won't be a real long video, but we'll check in and see what all's going on. All right, show you more. Welcome to RCindustry. Well, hey, it's Rick here, and we're on the road here, so probably can't hear me too good, but we're doing about 70 miles an hour headed to Bowling Green. So anyway, glad you came along for the ride. I'll switch you over here and let you look at where we're going. Well, it looks like we made it to the parking lot anyway. So let's go see what's everywhere. Well, there's definitely racing going on here. That's cool. Now that'd be a good project. Well, there's some chrome. You could make it just like brand used with that. Now that's a bicycle, if I've ever seen one. I used to have a bicycle when I was a kid that had them big handlebars on it like that, but I didn't have no gears. Now that's the closest thing we're probably going to find today to the CrustyChrysler, and I'm not so sure that that's not that old boy that was down at the Power Tour this year and parked next to us. Yeah, he may have been. Definitely not the CrustyChrysler, but it's close to it. Now this is a cool car. Well, that's a cool one. That's still got the dirt daubers on the roof. There's another little red express truck. That one says 408 in it. Now my uncle used to have a Duster, but I think his was a 73. This is a 74. I know his didn't have a 360 in it. It had a 340, I think, because it even said 340 on the sides. But it looks about the same on the inside as what I remember. Now that's a cool wagon. Now that looks like something that Cold War motors would have, for sure. Nice. It's a Royale. And right next to it is a Chrysler 300. That's a lot nicer looking than Krusty is. It's got the through 300 pieces there. Wow, I wished I had that trunk lid.
That was your mighty Moparty Super Pro category.
And it's got the hubcaps and everything on it. I've got all the hubcaps and trim, but I don't have those clips that hold the hubcap on. I was hoping I would find some today. And the hood is really nice. Let's see if it's got the HP code on it. It does. There it is. Nice. Now there's a cool truck. That's a Dodge 300 Power Wagon. A lot nicer looking than the 78 War Wagon, that's for sure. Look at that bed. Nice. There's some of them you don't see too often. Well, if I didn't know better, I'd say that's Fred sitting in there. But no. It's not. I'm not sure, but I would say this is probably a 300. It certainly looks like one, but it says it's a Fury. There's another one that looks like it's right off the Dukes of Hazzard. Like Dylan McCool is here. He's got his old Plymouth that he's working on. I think this is one of them that Vice Grip Garage is working on. Well, that concludes our little quick trip of Moparty 2023. So we're back here at the car. So I think we're gonna head back home. We got work to do on the CrustyChrysler. Anyway, thanks for coming along. Be sure and like and share. And we'll see you in Sikeston.
Walking down the street, I was minding my own affair.
Run, Tallulah, run!
Hi, baby.